Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how we can put the mid-roll ads in our videos. As we know, YouTube give us the mid-roll option for the generate more revenue. If we have the more than 8 minutes our video, we can put the additional ads in our video. So how we can put the mid-roll ads, everything I'm going to show you in this video step by step. So before we start, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic and then continue. Okay friends, so as you can see, we are in our channel. First of all, you go to your channel icon, then click on that one, the YouTube studio. After clicking the YouTube studio, as you can see, we click our videos. After clicking our video, where we can put our mid-roll ads, as you can see, if more than 8 minutes video, any more than 8 minutes video, we can put the mid-roll ads. If our range is 8 minutes, then more than 8 minutes. If the minimum range 2 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes or 6 minutes or even 7 minutes, the YouTube give you the automatically ads. So more than 8 minutes we can put the mid-roll ads. So what we do, we go to our video, what video we want to put. So as you can see, videos, after videos you select the dollar icon. As you can see here, the monetization icon, you click that one. Then you can see here your all ads. You can close your ads. You can unclick your ads. If you don't want ad, sponsored card ad or non-skippable ads, everything is here. If you want to unselect this one is not running. Then if you want to put the additional mid-rolls, you click the manage mid-rolls. After that, as you can see, this one is my video is 9 minutes 9 seconds. So I put here the additional mid-roll ads is 5 ad. If I want add some more, so as you can see here, the plus icon, the ad break, we can click that one. Then additional should be here. As you can see, the blue here. So we can move wherever you want. You can play your video or select this icon, and then you can see which part you want to put your ad to run. So you can see in the screen, it's automatically appear there your ad. So you can choose your destination where you want to put your mid-roll ad, and then how you can put everything, which place, how many ads you can put. It's depend on you. I'm not going to put additional. I just show you as a demonstration. I just delete this ad. Okay friends, so as you can see already, I put the additional ad and then delete already, because I don't want more additional ads. So my audience viewers after will get fed up so many ads. So it's enough. In the 9 minutes video I put 5 ads. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the new update. Thank you.